Hey, well, Veraison has started. If you don't know, that is the beginning of the ripening process for these grapes. And it's a little more obvious with the red varieties because I'm starting to see red. But in general, some are further behind or ahead than others, but the process has started. And it also means I have to start protecting my clusters. Alright, these Champanel grapes started first. They're behind a net already, because I don't want to take any chances. Hopefully we can see that through the net. And here's the Catawba. These are all in individual bags, but they're on their way to... So it's pretty dark here. Hold on. Some are green, some are red. All these are green over here. All of these Catawba are green still on this other end of the vine. There's a bigger cluster there. Here's the Camminare Noir, and it started just a couple days ago to have some reddish grapes just on this side of the vine. On the other side, maybe slowly, a few. Slightly ahead over here. But because of this, it is time to put the nets on. I don't want to take any chances. So. This side is the first. And everything else is going to be coming along, so I might as well get the nets up this week. I bought two nets that are about 40 feet by 14 feet, and they're $9 each. I would suggest maybe paying a little more and getting it more than 40. You'd think 14 feet would be plenty, but getting more would make things easier. There's no guarantee things won't get under this. I'm going to do some more securing. The main thing I'm doing is trying to keep the birds away, but I did kill a rat this morning in my trap, or I found one in the trap this morning, so hopefully I'd kill them before they decide to get under these nets, because there's always going to be a way. But hopefully that helps a little bit. Not quite done, but this is the basic idea. Sure, they can probably get their beaks through there, but if it helps save some clusters, that would be good. So that's it, a little ripening happening, a little vine protection, and hopefully we get to harvest soon. Gotta be patient though.